Welcome to the middle of the tallest and until 2012 widest steel arch bridge in the world. Directly above you at 134 metres above sea level flies the Australian and New South Wales state flags. A ship passing beneath your feet would have to be at least 50 metres tall before it would scratch an antenna. Until recent years, this was never really a problem, but the modern giant cruise ships are now restricted to the east side of the harbour, unable to fit underneath the ageing bridge. 6 million hand-driven rivets hold down 52,000 tonnes of steel across the water. The main span of 503 metres and total length of the bridge at 1,149 metres never really held any length records, but to 2020 at least, it will still be in the top 10 of its class. Plans for a bridge across the harbour are nearly as old as the colony itself. However, due to complexity and cost of the task, as well as World War I, early designs never got a start. Following the war, John Bradfield, chief engineer of the Sydney Harbour Bridge and Metropolitan Railway construction crew, for whom the highway next to you is named, eventually got enough momentum behind the project, and in 1924, British firm Dorman Long & Co. were awarded the contract to build an arch design at a cost of 4 million Aussie pounds. With a huge amount of foundation work needed, the actual arch itself was not started until 1928. Creeper cranes worked from both directions, and in less than 2 years, the arch halves met in the middle, only an inch and a half out. The rest of the bridge construction progressed fairly rapidly, in the end totaling 8 years, but at the cost of 16 workers' lives to complete. The bridge was officially opened by Premier Jack Lang on the 19th of March 1932, but not before a random bloke on a horse rode up in military uniform, slashed the ribbon with a sword, declaring the bridge open in the name of the people of New South Wales. He was quickly arrested. It is now time to complete our crossing. There are just 2 more stops to go on the north side of the harbour. Grab your answers, counting those rivets carefully, and let's get going. It's going to be a decent walk.